No, when you get this, Bill, this is a star nut installation tool.
Star nut installation tool?
TNS.
Sounds like a... not even going to say what it sounds like.
Okay. So, front wheel off, fork out, knock the star nut out, and then give you a call.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, listen, I can't put any music on because otherwise you'll get...
It'll get demonetised.
Demonetised, and you won't get your 50p that you make from videos. Yeah. The forks are behind you, by the way.
Where?
They're the new forks.
Oh, yeah.
They're the new forks. Pick them up, you want. So they've been wrapped by Visi Wrap. You can see the logo on the left fork.
Oh, yeah, see that, yeah. What size are they?
They are 30, it says on the back actually. So if we spin it around here, I don't know if you can see. For a 29-inch wheel, 160 travel.
160, that's a lot, isn't it?
Not really. They're Rockshoc Yari.
Okay, so get the old ones off first.
Get the old ones off first, and then we'll go from there. Because this is our new torque wrench, as you well know.
Oh, how much?
So you can, you know, change the torque to whatever you want it to.
Yeah.
Useful.
You
know, it's really good. Comes with different Allen key sizes as well, which is pretty cool.
You're sponsored by Park Torque.
Comes off. So I can get the Allen keys out. And then we have our normal nut up the top. So before I take this off and this off, I'm going to take the brake caliper off as well. Okay, right. Yeah. Which is a 5mm. There we go.
What's up with the old forks then?
They're just worn.
Right.
I've noticed the last few rides when I feel pressure on it, it feels scratchy. You can feel it. It's like a scratchy sort of feel on it, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
And if you look onto the, see, it's all battered. I mean, these are 3 years old, and you imagine the miles I do on it. It's
yeah, they've had
a good kick in, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
I'm going to push towards you, okay? Just. Oh, Jesus Christ! Woo!
Why is that so?
Because we basically look. Can you see this? This is an old school axle. If you look on the forks, the new forks, see the axle's up there. See it? So it's like a proper Allen key one. This is an old school quick release.
Oh.
Just shows you how old these forks are. But, oh, there she goes.
Has it been a while since that's been undone then?
Yeah, and because it's me, we've tightened it up so tight, because obviously I'm quite heavy, and we kind of knew these forks were done. We were just trying to, there's no point in us changing them in midwinter when they're going to get hammered in mud and take such a battering.
Crazy what they're like, the axles, if you don't ever take them out and grease them then.
Well, this did, do you know, the last time we did this was about 2 months ago, I think.
Oh, really? God, that's...
Yeah, because we changed the brakes, put new pads in. See the grease? You can see the grease now. There we go. Oh. Yep. That's it. Take the wheel out. Done. Woo. Yeah, that's as you can see, pretty done.
Yeah, that is, isn't it?
That's pretty done. Yeah.
That's only 2 months.
Yeah. The next job is going to take off the mudguard. Why are you going to let you do that? There we go.
Sure.
No, I'm sure you can put on 5 zip ties as such. Yeah, that's fine. Got a little bit of mud in there, not that it really matters. So I'll take that headset off. That comes out of there. Happy days. So I need. So see this here? I'll take that off as well, so we can take the brakes out. You think the battering these forks have had though? I mean,
well, so you cycle all through the winter.
Yeah.
You're out like a couple of times a week, aren't you? Whatever the weather.
Ride to work every day.
Oh yeah, of course you take this bike to work as well.
There you go, done. See, there's a great big gouge mark there.
Oh yeah.
See it?
Yeah. They've had a life.
They have, yeah.
Still moving,
they're still moving, but there's like a. You can feel. And as you can see, because we did this, there's loads of grease in the bearings. I've got no problem with the bearings at all.
Oh yeah, I can see.
Loads of grease in there. Yeah.
So are these going to fit straight on, or are we going to have to cut them?
So we're going to have to cut them. Yeah. So we're going to measure them in a minute. See how much we got to take off.
Yeah.
It's quite a bit we're going to have to take off. That's the star nut we were talking about.
Oh yeah.
So we're going to knock that out now as well.
And that's when you're going to use your star nut removal tool.
Yeah. Well, no, we're not actually. That's for putting it back in.
Oh, okay.
If you know what I mean. Yeah, what we're going to do is we go from the bottom. We've got a long spanner thing in there, and we'll just knock it out. The other way around, yeah. Okay, like that. Yeah.
Screw it all the way in, so it's tight. That's it.
Yep.
That's it.
Whack it in.
Yeah, then hit the top.
This is your threadless nut setter.
Oh, wait a minute. Do you want to get the spacers? Let me hold that. Okay, now put that on there. As he takes my eye out with the handlebar.
Yeah, it's alright. It's all good content, mate.
So we need to cut up there. So let's make a.
Yeah, where's the white marker?
Then this thing is a pipe cutter.
Oh yeah, plumbers use these, don't they?
Yeah. It's a cheap one, unfortunately, because Amazon special, mate.
There she goes.
That's good now. This needs to be flush. Okay.
Right, we're going to put the star nut into the bottom of the TNS4 for people's.
The TNS threadless nut setter.
That'll be the one.
Yeah, I've got a couple of these at home.
So we're going to put that on top of there, and then we'll give it a little tap, as you do. And in theory, when I now take this off, he says.
Ooh,
Perfectly set. Yeah.
that's pretty good, isn't it?
Pretty good, though, isn't it? Yeah. A great tool if anyone wants it. A TNS4 threadless nut setter from Park Tool.
And yeah.
Look at that one. There's not one on there.
Oh, okay. So you got to take that one off.
Take that one off and put it on there.
Oh, that's probably wedged on there.
Yeah. Can you imagine how much weight? Done. Yeah.
This is actually for bearings, for wheels, not for this. This is a botch job tool. Works really good though. Really? There you go, now you can put it all back together, mate. Good luck.
Cole, we've still got like a
2mm gap or whatever.
That needs to be even higher again, so it needs to kind of be there, so you get enough pull on the tension on the cap.
Right, okay.
Because if it was like that, the cap will butt up against that.
Right,
and
okay.
it won't give you enough.
Bolt's not long enough now, won't reach.
That's alright. I've had to modify this, so this goes to the bottom.
Like that, yeah?
Yeah. In fact, is that the new Yari? Because the new Yaris have got a different mounting cap. That's a point. Hang on, I've got a problem here. Yeah, these are the new Yaris.
Do we need that as well then? Do we need that bracket off there as well? There's another bracket there, look.
Yeah, but these are different. These are the old Yaris, which had the small and the big. See that?
These look both big.
Yeah, so we need... Okay, stand by. So we're going to have to just put the wheel in
And see what happens.
and see if it all lines up. Yeah, put the wheel on first. Then we'll just have a visual. We need to put the pads in as well. Engineered to precision, that is.
It works.
That can just go on, the pads can go in and everything will be hunky-dory.
How tight are we doing these axles now?
Not that tight, that's enough.
That's enough, yeah. Just finger tight like that.
Old style Yaris, new style Yaris. You need a different brake adapter because this distance is shorter than this distance. 195.
Well, should it be? Can't go below 1/8.
187. Yeah, you're fine.
What's the
1.8.
1/8 is
It always says it on the disc here.
Oh, right,
limit
yeah.
1.8.
What's the part tool part number?
DC1.
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 Yeah, there you go.
Okay. Link in the description. No, it's not.
General rule of thumb is centre the carpet first. So to do that, you just look down and check the gap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Either side,
It
basically.
looks pretty.
Hang on.
Yeah. It's just tight.
I think it. No, it's not. I loosened it. Says it when it. Is that right there?
Yeah. Sometimes when you tighten it, it does move it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah,
Pads in.
pads back in.
bolts
Right. Right. Pull that lever, what does it feel like?
Yeah.
Does it feel tight?
That's good.
Yeah, it does feel tight.
I'm just feeling for a little bit of
The
play
movement there, yeah.
And just give it a bit more, you know. Sometimes you can be confused because you've got floating rotors and they have movement.